Have you ever invested in a tool, hoping it would be the game changer for your writing or publishing, only to find it wasn't quite the right fit? It's a common scenario, and when that tool happens to be something like Atticus, a powerful software designed to streamline your book formatting and writing, the question inevitably arises. How do you get your money back if it doesn't meet your expectations? Investing in software for your author career is a significant decision. You've likely done your research, watched demos, perhaps even read countless reviews. Atticus, for many, promises a revolutionary approach to creating professional-looking ebooks and print books with ease. It's lauded for its intuitive interface, its robust features for formatting, and its potential to save authors countless hours and headaches. For independent authors, in particular, the appeal is immense, the ability to control every aspect of their book's presentation without needing to hire an expensive formatter. You envision a seamless workflow, beautiful typography, and a polished final product that rivals traditionally published books. But what if, after purchasing, you discover that the specific features don't align with your unique workflow? Maybe you find the learning curve steeper than anticipated, or perhaps a particular functionality you absolutely need isn't quite there yet. Perhaps you're more accustomed to another software and the transition feels more arduous than beneficial. Or perhaps you simply had a change of heart, realizing your current needs are better met by a different solution, or that your publishing timeline has shifted. These are all valid reasons to consider a refund, and it's a testament to a good company that they offer a clear and straightforward path to getting your investment back. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the refund process, let's understand why understanding this process is so crucial for authors. In the fast-paced world of independent publishing, every penny counts. Your budget for software, marketing, editing, and cover design is often tightly managed. Knowing that you have the option to get a refund provides a sense of security and reduces the risk associated with trying new tools. It allows you to experiment, to truly test if a piece of software integrates seamlessly into your creative process without the fear of a sunk cost. This peace of mind is invaluable, freeing you to focus on what truly matters: writing compelling stories and connecting with your readers. So, how do you navigate the refund process for Atticus? The good news is that Atticus, like many reputable software companies, has a clear and fair refund policy. Their policy is typically based on a satisfaction guarantee, allowing users a specific window of time to try out the software and decide if it's right for them. The first and most important step in initiating a refund for Atticus is to understand their refund policy. While policies can occasionally be updated, generally, Atticus offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you have a full month from your purchase date to explore all the features, format a few chapters, and truly put the software through its paces. This generous window is designed to give you ample time to assess its suitability for your specific needs. It's not a hasty decision. It's a thoughtful evaluation period. Once you've decided that Atticus isn't the right fit for you, the next step is to initiate contact with their customer support team. This is crucial. Do not simply stop using the software and assume a refund will be processed automatically. Proactive communication is key. You'll typically find their contact information on their official website. Look for sections like Support, Contact Us, or Help. Often, they'll have a dedicated support portal or an email address specifically for customer inquiries. When you reach out, be prepared to provide some essential information to help them locate your purchase and expedite the process. This will almost certainly include the email address you used to purchase Atticus and potentially the order number or transaction ID. Having this information readily available will significantly speed up the process and prevent any unnecessary back and forth. In your communication, clearly state that you are requesting a refund for your Atticus purchase. While you don't necessarily need to write an essay explaining your reasons, a brief and polite explanation can sometimes be helpful for their support team. For example, you might say, "I've tried out Atticus for the past few weeks, and while it's a powerful tool, I found that it doesn't quite align with my current workflow, or my publishing needs have shifted, and I no longer require the software at this time." Keep it concise and professional. Once you've submitted your refund request, the Atticus support team will process it. This typically involves verifying your purchase details and ensuring your request falls within their stated refund policy, e.g., within the 30-day window. They may also confirm that you have not significantly violated their terms of service, though this is rarely an issue for legitimate refund requests. After your request is approved, the refund will be processed back to your original payment method. The time frame for this can vary depending on your bank or payment provider, but it generally takes a few business days for the funds to appear back in your account. Be patient during this period. If you don't see the refund within the expected time frame, you can follow up with their support team, but typically, they are quite efficient. It's also worth noting that some software companies might offer alternatives before processing a full refund. For instance, they might offer a guided tutorial, troubleshooting assistance, or access to exclusive resources to help you overcome any initial hurdles you might be facing with the software. While your ultimate goal might be a refund, sometimes these offers can be beneficial if you're on the fence and just need a little extra support to make the tool work for you. However, you are absolutely within your rights to politely decline and proceed with your refund request if that's your preference. The key takeaways here are straightforward. Understand the policy, communicate clearly and promptly, and provide the necessary information. Atticus, by offering a clear refund process, demonstrates its commitment to customer satisfaction and confidence in its product. This kind of transparency builds trust with authors, allowing them to make informed decisions about their software investments. It also allows authors to experiment without the fear of being stuck with a tool that doesn't quite fit their unique needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.